Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss our lost the American literature in the modern and postmodern period. The objective is full of vocabulary words essential to question and first the vocabulary word bombard. To cut or attack something or someone, especially it's repeatedly often used figuratively. Paragon. No. A person or a thing that may serve as an excellence of perfect knowledge. Subjectivism, none. A doctrine that emphasizes individual experience, feelings, or judgmentality. Adjective, consistent words, and reason, incomplete. Underscore verb, to emphasize something or show the importance of something. That's understood. Next was the discussion whether it's period in 1910 and 1945. Advanced in the science and technology in the Western countries rapidly intensified as the start of the 20th century involved about the sense of unprecedented growth. The devastation of World War One and the horrific first food suffering in Europe and the United States movement in arts defined first and foremost as the radical break from the past. Tradition, structure, and possibilities contradictory impulsive in modernist period, proven to be one of the richest and most productive American literature. Notable authors, James Baldwin, author of The Rock Five, and Good
Ang sinayin mo ka na triple five, sir. Ano? Sir, tayo na. Sir,
Fitzgerald
Kennedy.
Kennedy, author of The Cerebral Martin Luther King Jr., author of Letter from Baby Arthur Miller, author of All My Son, Death, and Salesman, The Combo and the Light.
Nanin ako din ang sirang galit.
Julia Alvarez, author of Unproduced, Homecoming to the Other Side, The Woman I Keep to Myself, and In the Time of Butterfly. Notable writers. He is Eliot, one an American debate word and of 1937, a British subject by the choice of his French Italian multi-voice in the base in 1950. Is a quintessential modernist one, but he was not a dominant voice
Why not
in the
begin?
American literature. Robert Townsend Carson Work evocatively described the region, New England, in the mid-century in which they lived. How Muslims produced a rich living. As a poet among them, Tony Colin Luxon, Hobbes, Wild Monkey, and Alice currently founded by the Poet Magazine of Chicago in 1912 and made it the most important of poetry, not just in the United States, but also in the English. Next was postmodernism period with advanced in technology and words. Americans were better defined who they were. Americans now saw themselves as a major world power because of their atomic bomb. Women in African American will also began developing the voice and identity distinct in American culture, with people like Martin Luther King and Malcolm X leading the civil rights movement. The African Americans identified as now becoming recognized by society. Because not everyone supported this resistance also become another important theme the contemporary era. This event influenced the writing of the era that displayed the diversity materialism in the pride seen throughout American authors. Began to describe everyday life in new technology. Postmodernism focused on present and future. It was is an ongoing evolving trend in our summary. Like writers challenged the long traditional practice of writing. They broke away the seminary realization paradigm that also dominated the American culture. Modernism and postmodernism underscored that literary writing has wit. Writers of these periods are unconventional as they distract the norms in writing. Distortion are not regarded in the building of writing sex delineation are the unique feature of modern and postmodern works. So That's all for today. Thank you for listening.